Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to learn how you can post on Thread application. First you need to open the Thread application. Then on the bottom you can see 5 icons and you need to click on the third icon. Then you can start writing a thread. For example, I am writing thread. I am writing a simple question over here. You can write about your thoughts or you can share anything. You can also attach a link with your thread. Also you can post another thread to your first thread. To add, you can just simply tap on add to threads, which will make you post another thread. So I will simply click on post. Now my thread has been posted. Now on the 3 dots you need to click and you can see here who can reply. You can change the settings. Also you can hide your like count. Here you can also see the likes, the comments, the reposts and the shares. This is all how you post on threads. Thank you for watching.